Just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
So I'm going to start off by using my Ordinary moisturizer. So then I'm going to go in with this Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is a illuminating primer. Face is completely dry right now, but I do need to be very moisturized before I apply my foundation. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the drops. I'm not going to be using too much of this. And we're just going to rub this in. Alright, now I'm just going to take my brow pencil and start filling in my brows. This brow here is higher than this one, so I usually always have to like try to even out this one to make it match. But I'm actually getting my brows microbladed on Sunday, which I will record the entire process for you guys. I actually cannot wait because it's just so uneven and I cannot wait for them to be fixed. I'm really excited. Have you guys gotten you guys' brow microbladed? I'm actually nervous for the pain. My girlfriend told me that it's not like as painful as some people make it sound, but it's obviously you're tattooing your brow, so I'm definitely expecting pain. So my aunt actually did hers. Made it sound like that was the most painful thing she's ever done in her entire life. Mind you, she already got it touched back up twice, so girl, clearly the pain was not that bad. And now I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Concealer. This one is in the shade 10 Sand. I'm just going to clean up my brows.
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. Yeah, take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can, take my hand, I promise we'll find love again.
Trust in me, baby.
love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love. Yeah.
So the lashes that I'll be using is from my collection. I did stack 2 lashes together. I stacked, let me just show you guys. So this is one of the lashes. I did stack Fairy and Flaunt together. So Fairy is a little bit more wispier. That's on the bottom. And then I stacked Flaunt on top of it just to give it like that volume. Can I look on the outer corners? You guys will see when I apply the lashes. But yeah, I did stack 2 lashes together to achieve this look.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Alright y'all, so now moving on to face. I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This one is in the shade Smooth. And I like to apply my foundation with a brush. I'm just gonna take my brush and apply 2 pumps on
Where did
it.
these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us.
Going in with my Tarte concealer. I'm going to be using 2 different shades. One just a little bit more highlight. So I'm going to be going in with Tan Sand and also Medium. Tan Sand I'm going to apply first as the base, and then I'm going to use Medium just to highlight.
Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me taste the death. One of them niggas who act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like... You're watching